name is Jonathan, and today we're going to be learning about seeking 7 gems. The goal is to collect 7 gems, exactly 7 gems. So you can read the description, you can also read the steps, but there's something that you have to do in this, is the example. Or no, it's not an example, you have to use it. While gem counter is less than 7. That's what we have to use. So I'm gonna go to the code. First we're gonna do var, as it doesn't give you the gem counter, so you have to write gem counter out. Oops. Counter. Then we're gonna do 0. Then we're gonna do while. We're gonna do gem counter is less than 7. So if it's less than 7, that means it will keep going until it's 7. And then we're gonna do some other codes. So we're gonna do if is blocked, since you're just like in a little thing where you go back and forth. If is blocked. Turn left, or just turn left, or turn right, turn right. Then you could do if is on. No, I meant if. If is on gem, collect gem, gem counter equals gem counter plus 1. Then you're gonna do move forward, because I already put the moving key, because you don't have to move at all in this. Just move back and forth like that. Since this takes forever, I put it on fast. You collect the 7 exactly. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and I hope you leave a like. Bye!